Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, what I'm not about to do is go and pay an installation fee for my hair because it's gonna be messed up in a week. We're not about to spend money when we have YouTube at the tip of our hands. So I'm gonna walk you through what I did. I guess what you just saw is self-explanatory. I'm going in, I put gel just to push back my hair, and then I just put a wig cap, but then there was really no reason for me to. So that is me putting on the spray, glue spray. It's Glamour by the brand Glamour. I hope they sponsor me one day, but anyway, child, I'm just doing what I gotta do. This is me trying to pull my wig into place. It was really challenging. Not me thinking I can do this. I don't know what came to my mind thinking I can pull this off, but hey, you gotta try. I'll die trying. So this is my first time doing an installation, so if you've got anything negative, just don't say it, okay? Just keep it to yourself, because I know I'm already about to mess up, but don't make it worse for me. Just watch and learn if you want to learn anything. And if you have any comments, if you had any contributions, just comment down below and tell me what I did wrong, what I should do next, yada chit chat on the comment section there. So this is me putting hair mousse on my hair because this is curly hair and it does get tangled, guys. So to put that, so that it's just a bit soft and a bit manageable. So this is me after removing the mounting band. Not bad for a beginner. Not bad at all. I'm proud of myself, if you ask me. And then that was it. Don't be fooled. The edges are not something to play with. They were really difficult to do. But anyway, child, I tried my best, and I'm really proud of myself. So this is me trying to lay them edges, girl. Anyway, guys, this is the lace. I'm not about to tell you that I'm melting the lace because I'm not gonna melt anything. I am wearing a wig after all, so I'm not gonna try and make a wig look like my real hair, because it's not, okay? So don't come at me and say the lace is showing. Yeah, it's supposed to show because I'm wearing a wig. Excuse me. So that is me, yada trying to lay them edges. And after a few tries, I did what I had to do, and I like it. Not that bad for a first timer. For the first time I'm doing this, then yeah. After that, I had to run like water. Just wet my hands and trying and just detangle. But it was good. At the end of the day, I tried my best, and I'm really happy about my end result. And my husband confirmed. He told me I was looking good and that it looked good. I told him I just wanted it to be okay, not nice, but yeah, I love it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and watch and comment. Okay guys, we'll see you next time. Cheers.